hear me well. This is going to be an affordable living community. Hi, Tami Goodwin here with the Luxury Living International team. I am here to tell you about an amazing community we have coming to DeKalb County in the city of Decatur. It is going to be called The Residence on Covington, located off of Covington Highway. It is a beautiful condominium unit that we are creating in a conversion. It was an apartment complex and now it's being converted to condos, which will be sold. And I want you guys to hear me and hear me well. This is going to be an affordable living community, starting in the high 100s. Yes, you heard me correctly, the high 100s. So if you have been trying to get into the beautiful city of Decatur, it's over in the Belvedere Park area. It's close to Avondale Estates. It's close to Emory University. It's close to Emory Hospital. It's close to downtown Decatur. I know you are going to love this place and you're going to be just as excited as I am because the community of DeKalb is getting affordable living.